What color are my eyes today? Oh, they're like greenish brown. Are they greenish brown?
He will be in the picture.
For a minute, quick, go.
Kiss it.
Your freaking vlog.
Oh. So we're getting ready to eat our dinner.
Mommy.
Wait a minute.
It's half time, Daddy.
We're having pigs in a blanket, chicken wings. Oh, you're getting up. Oh, careful. We eating, guys? Chicken wings? And what else? Macaroni bites?
Mommy.
Wait a minute. Alright, so now we have in the bowl, we have fruit and dip. We have our cookies that you saw before. And what's eaten of our cookie dip
Yum yum.
with cookies and graham crackers and pretzels. Isn't it good? Yummy, yummy. I grabbed these at the Dollar Tree today. One more cookie, yeah. And now our Patriots are on, right?
Yeah. But what's not Patriots?
Ben, who's on TV? Who's on TV? Patriots!